Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. I can make it heavy. Your body lightweight. Sticks to me. I don't know what you do. Get up to me. Your body lightweight. I don't know what you do.
What's up, babes? These are the products you need: Eco Styling Gel, Got to Be Glue, Gel Moisturizer, a spray bottle and tools, and a mirror. This mirror is a game changer. If you don't have it, what are you waiting for? Because it's going to help the way you style your hair. And the attachment and the oil to infuse your rubber band. I'll start by hydrating my hair with some water. Then I'll apply Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Coil Enhancing Smoothing to moisturize my hair. Then I'll separate my hair all through. I'll do a design on both sides of my hair using a rubber band. I'm going to part my hair by the side and slant. Then I'll section my hair, apply a gel and secure it with a rubber band. And section the middle and tug it, but not too tight that it's going to give you headache or breakage. Then I'll section the second one. I'll hold the first one and the second one together. Then I will use a rubber band and secure it, but always remember to apply your gel. So I decided to use Shine and Jam gel to hold my hair with my design because I feel like it holds my hair more better than Eco Styling Gel. Eco Styling Gel is what I'm using at the moment, but it's not giving me the hold that I want. So I will do the same design on the other side of my hair. And this design is so easy that anyone can do it. I wanted to do the same design at the center of my hair, but I decided to leave it. I will section my hair and comb through. Then I will apply a generous amount of Eco Styling Gel on my hair. I will use a bristle brush to brush it. Then I will hold it with a bubble. I'll put all the products and tools I use in this video in the info section and the link as well, and I use this Amazon affiliate. So this hairstyle is so simple to create and is classic and elegant for everyday looks and occasions. That is under $5. I will use Got to Be Glue water resistant for more sleek hold for my hair. I will use bristle brush and diamond brush to sleek my hair. I will do my baby hairs even though I don't have any, but I'll try to create one to make the hair look so juicy and classic, you know, making it look all put together. I will use a satin scarf to tie down my hair. I'll be using expression braid in color 27 to create this Rapunzel hairstyle in 82 inches. I will separate the attachment and feather the ends, and I will do the same on the other side of the ends as well. Because the attachment is too big for my hand, I will divide it into two and keep the other one by the side. Then I will use a wide tooth comb to comb through the attachment. Then I will use Revlon hair straightener in low setting to brush the attachment. Do you see how neat the attachment is? So I will do the same on the other attachment. Yeah. So I'll use a bubble to hold the attachment together and make sure the attachment are the same length. Oh my gosh, look at how long this attachment is. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. I'm going to put this hair on my hair. I will use L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil to control any frizz on the attachment. I'll use a blow dryer to speed up the drying process of my hair. Then I will attach the attachment on my hair and separate it into 4 sections, 3 equal parts and 1 small one for wrapping. And be careful because the attachment tangles. I will separate my natural hair into three. Then I will add the expression attachment that I have already separated on my natural hair and braid all the way down. And don't forget to borrow attachment from the other side when needed. Babes, don't forget to give this video a big like, subscribe for more beauty related content, turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, comment and share. I'm making a soft braid. I don't want the braids to look tight. I want it to look soft. And don't forget to brush the attachment as you braid. Because the hair is so long, I have to wrap it around my neck to braid. So after braiding, I have to use a rubber band to secure it for a moment. Later, I put it in the hot water to seal the ends. And don't forget to brush the hair whenever it tangles. You separate it and brush it and start braiding. I will use the remaining attachment to wrap around my hair to hide any of my natural hair showing and for a neat hairstyle. This will create the illusion that the hair is coming out from my real hair. Then I will use a bobby pins to secure it. I'll use a pair of scissors to trim off any flyaways on the attachments. Use cream of nation mousse to control any frizz. From the attachments, I will use multicolors hair accessories to accessorize my hair, and I got it from Amazon. I will link it down below as well. And don't forget to check out the links in the info sections. So guys, this is the final result. Up closer. Wow, it's 82 inches and it's below my bum. I wanted to, at first, I don't want to do this color, but because I don't have any black on my stash, and I decided to do this gold color, which came out nice. So yeah, and with this ponytail hairstyle, you can do any different type of styles you want. I will do a tutorial on how I style this my ponytail hairstyle. Very elegant, classic, bold ponytail hairstyle that will elevate and complement any looks and any occasions. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more beauty related content, and don't forget to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Comment and share, and see you on my next video. It's your babe Asanwa. Love you guys.